Yeah. Sure, you can follow. Yeah, and outside that there's like
So we are back. Got some tops. This is a base top, which so we're just behind the scenes right now at the HQ of OX Tools. As you can see, you see the brand. You can see the flashing lights going on in the back. We've just taken their pictures. So I'm gonna get changed soon. I'm in some of the new work trousers. That was hard. Don't ask why I've done that. I'm in some of the new work trousers, just testing them out at the moment. Just getting ready for some of my shoots soon. So yeah, stay tuned. So let me just show you guys the fit. What I've got at the moment. Back a little bit. So we're now in another location where we'll be filming. I just seen something which I really like a lot, which is this laser level. I've watched reviews on it, and yeah, I need one. I do. But I'm excited about this shoot. This is look at the fit what I've got on at the moment. I like this. Yeah. So top change, base top. Top to wear on top. Let's go. Yeah, I'm still doing that. So we're still doing behind the scenes. It's Mr. London Plumber. It's OX. We're getting it.